Hey there, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. So you're ready to run containers, experiment with virtual environments, or build apps in a controlled setup, but you're not sure how to install Docker. No worries, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Docker Desktop on your Windows machine. Step by step, let's get started. First, head to your browser and type download Docker Desktop for Windows, or go directly to docker.com, check products, chart Docker Desktop. Once you're on the official page, scroll down and click on the Download for Windows x86-64 button. Make sure you're downloading the version that matches your system. Now, once the installer file finishes downloading, open it to begin the setup. Docker may ask you to enable WSL2, Windows Subsystem for Linux version 2. This is required for Docker to run on Windows, so if you don't have it, just follow the link it gives you. It'll guide you to install it step by step. Once that's done, return to the Docker installer and click Install. It might take a couple of minutes. After the installation completes, Docker may ask for a system restart. Go ahead and restart your PC if prompted. Once your computer restarts, open Docker Desktop. The icon should look like a blue whale in your system tray. Give it a few seconds to start up. Once it says Docker is running, congratulations, you're ready to go. You can now pull images, run containers, and start building like a pro. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, How to Fix Techie, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.